before you pop out of there? Because I don't want to climb in there.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
I like this color.
Yeah, no.
Thank you.
Thank you. How's it going, man? You're one yourself.
Yeah, color's nice.
I appreciate you doing this, by the way. Let me grab the exhaust and everything out of my truck. Yeah. Perfect, love it.
Nope.
Yeah.
I was just walking up on that one.
Actual pole go down?
I'll put the one back. Let's be sure. There's one all scratched out and there's one gone.
Okay.
Oh yeah, way better. Oh yeah. So much more aggressive. Cold, yeah, that's
cold as fuck right
yeah.
now.
That was only 2,000 RPM. Yeah. That wasn't even rapid. Yeah.
Healthy motor.
Pretty sick. So, got that shit done. Time to wash up, wipe everything down, call the customer, tell him to come get it. We got his oil cooler, or not oil cooler, fucking Christ. Oil catch can fucking bypass return hose thing remade. Got all this new titanium exhaust installed, cat secondary air pipe fixed, so no more oil leaks, no more exhaust leaks. Sounds super nasty. Happy customer. Ready for car week, first thing tomorrow morning.
I don't remember where all this shit goes. How's it going?
What's up, man? Chris, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Should we do it?
Yeah, let's go for it. Yeah.
Do you need to act or something? Do you need to act? It's like, do you have a persona?
Oh yeah. Oh, this thing it already sounds badass. Yeah.
No, I'm thinking. I don't know that. Oh, yeah. I appreciate it, man. Okay. Properly warm and everything. Oh, yeah. This is my first time hearing it.
Yeah. No, it was definitely quiet coming in.
Holy shit, this is wild. All right. You want to tell me where to go?
If you want, just make a right and then I don't know if there's a stop sign or not, but there's like a little intersection. You can make a left and then it just dog legs and then you can just jam straight down and it'll loop us right over here. Yeah. Left right up here.
Oh, yeah. My bad. I think I was on the stop sign.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if there was a stop sign here. Oh yeah. Fuck and gets it.
Yeah. Well, I'm hyped. I've had the exhaust for like a couple months now. I've just been waiting to get it installed.
Yeah.
Nice little block. This is sweet, bro.
Dude, this is
So
sick.
happy. Is he left here?
Yeah.
Is this a stop sign?
No. Yeah. Sorry. And then coming up, there's a stop sign though. Woohoo! Yeah.
It's completely like changed the whole sound. This is
Definitely.
I didn't expect it. I just expected it to be like the same but different.
Oh yeah, no, you're good. It's
they got something?
a three-way. They changed it up. It was weird. Yeah.
That's it right
Yep.
here.
Heck yeah, no, that is sick. And then, so where are you going? You're gonna do an
Monterey.
event?
Yeah, Monterey for Car Week. It's like a whole big thing.
Gotcha.
It's like
Okay.
the whole city like transforms. And it's,
Okay, that's
People
cool.
come from like Europe and stuff. People come from overseas, so we're like.
Gotcha. So it's almost like Hot August Nights, but for European cars.
Yeah, it's kind of like everything too. They
Awesome.
do everything. So
That's
it's gonna
sick.
be, should be a good time. Is that good enough?
Oh yeah,
Get it
no,
up
dude.
finished?
Yeah, no, I think that'd be great.
Hell yeah! It does
Sick,
smell like
dude.
new. It does smell like a new stove in here. That's hella funny.
Thank you. Sweet, dude. That's sick. Yeah. Yeah, nah, dude, he was stoked on it. He was like, woo! And then he said he was going to Monterey Car Week. Oh, sick. Oh. So, yeah, and he basically was saying that everybody from all over the world's going. So I was like, oh, is this like Hot August Nights? But he's like, yeah, for Euro cars, but a little bit of everything else. So, yeah, that's sick. Slow down, shut. Oh, I don't want to do it like that. Yeah. No, yeah, I think it'd be kind of cool to do like a little quick, like beeper, beeper.
Safe with him. So if you want to, you can buckle into that 5-point harness and he'll take you for a